Before I joined Philips, I was working in MR because I studied as an applied physicist. When I was finishing my degree, I was thinking, well, what can I best use this knowledge for? And I'm an applied person, so I like to use what I know. I learned about this thing called NMR and MRI, which in 1988 was kind of in its infancy also. And that inspired me to go in that direction. When I was at 14, my best friend's mother died of breast cancer. And that was a kind of an interesting moment because I thought, well, I feel like I want to do something about this. In the beginning of MR development and the use of superconducting magnets, most of the focus is on simply creating the magnetic field. Now, when you get into an environment where you're making a product out of this, other factors become important. That's one thing. The other thing is that helium is a scarce resource. It's geopolitically sensitive, it's difficult to obtain, and there's a limited amount of it. So the consequence of that is that year on year, the cost of helium increases and the availability is reducing over time. And our vision was we want to eliminate the helium. As part of our ongoing and advanced development activities, we investigated the possibility to do this. And around 2015, we finally got to the situation where we eliminate all of the need to have actually helium filling the magnet. That was necessary. Why? Because that was the key step we needed to be able to eliminate the quench pipe. I like to say it's like a refrigerator in your home. You buy a refrigerator, you put it typically in the kitchen, you plug it in, and it's going. We're able to make quieter MR scans with the system. We can combine those techniques with AI-based reconstructions to produce very short examinations with high quality and high comfort level for the patient. My drive has always been to try and make MR available and accessible as a first-line diagnostic tool. The main thing about my job is that I feel when I'm coming to work, I'm contributing to something which has a real impact on people's lives. So, yeah, that feels good that I'm able to contribute to that.
Philips.